Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zubair Hussain. I'm from batch 2K19 Computer Science. My roll number is 56 and I'm here to present my video of data structure. Uh, Data structures, the some data structures are sorting, linked list, tree, graph, hashing, stack, weak. The topics that I have selected in my data structure video presentation are number first is introduction to data structures, and number second is type of data structure, number three arrays, number four is linked list. Number first, introduction to data structure. Data structure is one of the most fundamental subject of computer science, and its depth understanding is so important for programmer or developer. Definition: data structure is a way to organize, modify, manage data in computer. Used for organizing photos, context, videos, music, and many other things. What are data structures used for? Finding the information associated with what you want to examine is an important process of everyday life, and with the internet, we rely on this for everything, including photos, addresses, music, tweets, restaurants, videos, Facebook friends. Why should learn data structures? Programming is all about data structures and algorithms. Data structures are used to hold data, while algorithms are used to solve the problem using that data. Data structures and algorithm DSA goes through solutions to standard problems in detail and give you an insight into how efficient it is to use each one of them. It is also teaches you the science of evaluating the efficiency of an algorithm. This enables you to choose the best of various choices. Data structures in our daily life. There is a video in my video
Hello everyone.
presentation.
So in this video, we are going to learn
You
why
can
should
see
you
there is
learn
a
data
video
structures.
presentation in my presentation that is about daily life
We are going
data
to learn
structures. Um, there is a type of data structures too. Number first is linear data structures. A data structure is said to be linear if its elements from a sequence, in other words, a linear list. For example, array, linked list, quick, stacks. These are all the linear data structures. Number second, non-linear data structures. Non-linear data structures, data items are not in the sequence, or in non-linear data structures, if every item is attached to many other items in a specific ways to represent relationship. For example, graph tree. These two types of these two examples of non-linear data structures. Arrays. Arrays are very common and one of the most fundamental data structures. Array are really just a list of items of same type. For example, a list of book titles, a list of grades, a list of scores. Example, you need a list of alphabetical users for a particular website so that you can look them up by name. The way you find things in an array is by its positional identifier. For example, K is index 10, that's one of the basic ones. Types of array. There are some types of arrays. Number one, single dimensional array. Number second, multi-dimensional array. Array operations. There are some operations that array can perform, like deletion, insertion, sorting, and also traversing. Traversing linear arrays. Traversing is accessing and processing, visiting each element of the data structure exactly once. There is an example: linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory locations. The elements in a linked list are linked using pointers as shown in the below image. In simple words, a linked list consists of nodes, where each node contains a data field and a reference link to the next node in the list. Singly linked list. Singly linked list is a type of linked list that is unidirectional. That is, it can be traversed in only one direction from head to the last node tail. Each element in a linked list is called a node. A single node contains data and a pointer to the next node, which helps in maintaining the structure of the list. The first node is called the head. It points to the first node of the list and helps us access every other element in the list. The last node, also sometimes called the tail, points to null, which helps us in determining when the list ends. Doubly linked list. Doubly linked list is a variation of linked list in which navigation is possible in both ways, either forward and backward easily as compared to single linked list. Following are the important terms to understand the concept of doubly linked list. The end. Thank you for watching my video.